This is a 36-inch 2-speed original that I added a third speed to tonight. So obviously swapped out the 2-speed pull chain for a 3-speed unit. And then I added a 6.0 microfarad capacitor onto the high leg. So the 3-speed pull chain goes first to the blue wire, which is the hot motor lead, and then for medium it goes to the red wire, which is the low motor lead, the low speed that's stock on this fan. And then when you go to the third speed, that feeds through the 6 microfarad capacitor and then up to the blue wire to the high lead. So this is high with a 6 microfarad capacitor. It's a perfect aesthetic slow. It's too low to measure with my digital laser tack. Counting it and using the stopwatch, informally it comes out to 11 RPM. I honestly feel like it's a little faster than that. This looks like the lowest speed on a Casablanca IntelliTouch, the aesthetic low. And that speed is, I believe, 20 RPMs, at least according to Casablanca's marketing materials. So I want to call this 20. Either way, it's a very nice slow. If I had a 4-speed pull chain available, I would add a slightly faster low to this fan. This is a good aesthetic low, but too slow to actually do anything. So we may revisit this if a 4-speed pull chain ever comes up. I also made a new custom light pendant tonight to replace that one that was here before. So there you go. Low speed on the 36-inch original with a 6 microfarad capacitor off the high leg.